Hello world, welcome to Quick Drawing Tips. Today we have the Badshah of Bollywood, the king of romance, Shahrukh Khan. Let's go!
The Badshah of Bollywood, Shahrukh Khan. Okay, I chose the picture in which his hairstyle is back brushed, so I intentionally took the easiest one to draw. So, once you get this border right, the face border, make the eyes, make the nose, make the lips. All of you are very talented. I know you can draw that. So after that, you draw the shades. You make the shades of the face and his neck. Finally, just make his beard. Yeah, don't even touch the hair yet. You cannot touch the hair yet. So make his beard, and finally, after you are done with the beard, then you can go on to his hair. Now split his hair into different parts as usual. Here, that's first part. This whole thing is the first part. That's the second part. And on the other side, that's third, fourth, and fifth. And these are the stray hairs. The men have very few stray hairs. So you see, these are their small stray hairs. Do not underestimate the power of stray hairs, okay? They enhance your drawing by a lot. So once you're done with his face, finally this his shirt. All I did was I scribbled all the graphite and then I rubbed a piece of paper on top of this, so it made it look more grainy and like a wool effect. That was my quick take on how to draw the Badshah of Bollywood. If you're a fan of him, put down in the comments which one of his movie is your favorite. So, thank you. Hope you had a great time.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Likes, dislikes, subscribe. Just do something, okay?